Hello, dears. Welcome to Style Mastery. A little peek inside Style Mastery. My name is Liana Sholey. I am your style sage, your style mentor. Style, S.T.Y.L.E, stands for seek to transform your life every day. And we don't really think about clothes like that. However, they're your second skin. Your second skin, which is constantly talking to your first skin. And most of us treat it like it lives somewhere over there in the closet or in the store. But that's not where they live. They live here. And not just do they live here, your jewelry lives here, your necklaces, your prints, your perfume, closer to you than your lover, trust me. So style mastery is all about, what am I doing with my body? How do I know? Why do I know this? Why do I not know this? How do I learn this? Most people have never been introduced to the fact that their body has a certain proportion. Now I'm keeping this black rope here, this black ribbon here, because I want you to understand that ratio, meaning from the neck down, from the base of your neck to your waist, and from your waist to your crotch, and around your waist, and what's happening in the back of you, and what's happening with your earrings and the size of your earrings or the size of your rings. Like, which one's better for you? Is something very delicate that you can just wear gently, or do you need something that's much stronger and bigger? And what does that depend on? And what kind of colors can you wear? Happens to be my favorite color. But what is that? Like, what is it about prints? Why is it that some people can wear these really loud, bold, crazy prints and look absolutely smashing and amazing in them? Some people can wear the whole body like this. Some people can only wear a little bit, meaning in a scarf or in a little shirt, or they have to tie it smaller, or the sleeve has to change. Why is that? Like, why is it that this big sleeve would look much better if it didn't have the line on the bottom? On some person, on other people it doesn't. What is that? So all of these pieces, all of these questions, all of these moments that I'm inviting you into in the Style Mastery class have to do with who you are. Why is it that I can wear really, really big rings and other people can't? Does it depend on your height? Does it depend on the size of your boobs? Does it depend on the size of your booty? What is it about this print that on some person, it's going to be absolutely amazing and just make that person shine and sparkle and add all of these colors and make the alchemy of their face and their hair and their eyes and the sound of their voice absolutely bring out the best of who they are. And then I put it on and it's like, it's not so great because that's all you can see. Here, let me show you. This is all you can see. Oh my God. This walks in a half an hour before I do. So the other thing is about accessories. Like, what makes one person be able to wear something that's this size and another person, it's like, it looks like you're wearing your granddaughter's bag, and on another person it looks like so big. So all of these things we are going to talk about. We're going to talk about the size of necklaces. We're going to talk about proportion and ratio. Why is this pendant not on the right necklace? Because the pendant is huge and weighty and gorgeous, but the necklace itself is too skinny. So the ratio and the proportion isn't right. Can you wear thick pearls with really beautiful pendants on the bottom, or do you need skinnier, more delicate? Do you need something in a beautiful color or a little pink? What do you need? And how will you learn that? That's what all of this is about. And trust me, I can't wait to have this time with you, and it's expanded. It's a half-day workshop, and I'm so delighted. I'm delighted to teach you and show you, and not just teach you, show you, oh, it's going to be in a book somewhere. No, this is going to be in your body. So you're going to walk away from this time that we have together with questions that you can ask and responses that you can get and answers to questions that are only your questions, not somebody else's. However, as someone else is asking a question, you will learn as well. So I can't wait to see you. Share this with your friends. It's always really great to come to this, to a session like this with someone that loves you and someone that's in your circle. So bring your girlfriends, your mom, your daughters, share this with someone so that when the class is over, you have someone to reconnect with in the same language, with the same knowledge and the wisdom. And as you're going along in life, you can hold each other accountable until the next class. And I can't wait to meet you. Mwah! I'll see you there. Style Mastery. It's a really wonderful way to get your style journey started. And I'm looking forward to meeting you. Bye.